Let's create one more item. Paste it. Let's create here just 2 paragraphs. Okay. Save it. And let's make a third one. Copy, paste, allow, quinquenula arcu. Okay. Okay, this is a bit too much. Quisquenula arcu. A bit difficult to copy. Okay. Let's make it like that. Okay, and save it. Okay, we have 3 items in the content list. Let's go back to the SharePoint. Switch to the navigation lists and libraries. Now we see only intranet. We have to refresh it. Okay, we see now the contents too. Let's go back to the XSLT. Switch to insert. Let's insert a data view. Should be an empty data view. And let's choose the data source, contents, and select the title and insert as field as multiple item view. Okay. Let's set the paging to display all items. Okay, we'll make a break. Okay, let's continue now. So, where we are now. Let me just focus a bit. Okay, let's switch to the code view. So this is obviously XSLT transformation. When I first create the data form web part, I usually make some new lines after each template, so I know where one template starts and another ends. Okay, here is another one. This is the last one. We don't need a table here. Let's go to the beginning. We also don't need this one. Okay, looks better now. Okay, let's move it back like that. Okay. Okay, if the dataset is empty, it will return the template empty. So what it will say there are no items to show in this view. Alright. Okay, I will clean it up a bit more. Instead of this table, I just want to use a div. Also here. Delete this tr line. Okay, here is the next template, rows. And goes to the body. So we already know what this template does. Here is a for each loop, so it will loop through the items. Okay, we don't need none of this here. Okay, we'll just display the title. Okay, around the title, let's wrap the h1 tag. Okay, and save it. Let's hit F12 to run it in a browser. Okay, and those are the titles of our 3 list items, right? Now let's insert the content to XSL value of select at contents. We have to disable the output escaping. Yes. Let's end the tag properly. Okay. Let's switch back to .aspx. Okay. And here we have the title, the contents, and all of it 3 times, right? Okay, now we can also add some new fields in our list. I meant columns. Let's create a column called yes or no, and let's name it publish. Default should be to no. Okay. Let's edit now in datasheet view. Okay, I don't have the Excel installed on this machine. Okay, let's edit one by one. This one should be published. Let's go to the second one. Okay, let's unpublish this one, and we should publish the third one. So we have 2 to publish, 1 not to publish. Okay, there are 2 ways to achieve this in a web part. The first one is to open it in a design view, select the web part, and filter it. Okay, let's refresh the data source first, and let's filter it by the field name publish, which equals to yes. So we already see the difference. Okay, this is the first way. Let's just confirm it in the xslt.aspx page. Okay, this is it. And the second way, let's remove it from here, delete, is to make it in the xslt itself. Okay, what I will need is to find the tag. Publish is this one. Okay. Now let's just switch to the code view. Let's make an if statement here. XSL if test, wrap it around whole, if test at publish equals to yes. Single quotes, yes, single quotes, yes. Save it. So we should have the same result. Okay. Let's change it to no, just in case. Let's refresh it. Okay, and we see the one with no. Yes. Okay. And this is the way how the XSLT transformations work.